Rosamund Pike, Lupita Nyong'o, and Emma Stone were just some of the stars who stunned at this year's Academy Awards, and we're gathering inspiration from their looks for OK TV style.
I'm here with senior editor of OK Magazine, Shallon Lester. And Shallon, we saw some beautiful hair trends on the red carpet, and it comes down to the age-old battle, the blondes versus the brunettes. What are you seeing?
Well, blondes are definitely veering away from those brassy highlights, embracing a more ash tone. Taylor Swift, Sienna Miller, obviously the big it girl this season, and they prove that a more ash tone flatters a wider variety of skin tones as well.
And from Betty to Veronica, what are the brunettes up to?
The brunettes are going to the dark side. Gone are those caramel highlights. People like Mila Kunis, Julia Louis-Dreyfus are really going deeper with their natural tone and proving that this look works over a variety of age groups.
Well, no matter what hair color you have, if you want to refresh your hair and go longer between colorings, you can check out this great product. It's called Cover Your Gray. Super easy to apply, goes on seamlessly, and it covers grays instantly. You can check out these great products at a Walgreens store near you.